So I'm going in the limo called Faraday Features, and they have robots, they have robot dogs, they have robot that dance. I asked him yesterday if the robot can give me back massage. He said yeah. And they have a beautiful car called Faraday Features. And actually they were in my Newport Beach event, if you guys remember the orange interior car. It was huge.
Yes.
This car is a nice car, the Rolls Royce. Are you sure that's not us?
No.
The Rolls Royce is a nice car. Somebody's getting into that Rolls Royce.
I put a down payment for the Bentley residence.
Oh, really? Oh my God. 3 million?
Yeah.
That's a beautiful place.
Because it's going to go up. Right now it's...
How much is it right now?
Between 5 to 10.
Wow.
So by the time it's built,
beautiful.
it's going to go up to 40 million.
What about the association? How much is the association?
I didn't ask about that. I just want to make sure that...
You need to know.
Yeah.
It's a property taxes, it's
don't care.
insurance.
It's okay.
Why, are you a millionaire?
I don't know. Money's no object.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. For me, money is still an object, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Even if I was a billionaire, I would want to know how much is the association
I know,
and taxes.
my wife wants to know all that. But I'm like, did you know how much money you had a year ago, 2 years ago? Well,
yeah.
My wife says, no, okay, it doesn't matter.
I do. I'm Jewish.
I know.
I count everything.
She's Mexican. I'm Filipino.
That's amazing. Living in the Bentley place, it's a dream on earth. It's a dream come true.
We have Palm Spring home at Dana Point, and
who is rich, you or your wife? Somebody have money, and it's not. I gotta find out who has the money.
I do this so we can pay taxes.
So you can pay taxes.
Yes.
Okay, but who have? I think your wife have all the money.
So I can show. No, she works. She
yeah,
works
but somebody have a lot of money.
I don't know.
You came from rich family.
No, Filipinos are never.
You look like you work really hard.
I do.
You work so hard. He's been the photographer of this event. He's been promoting his company called Faraday Robots, Faraday Dog Robots, Faraday Cars, and he works extremely hard. But regardless, you're getting the Bentley. You deserve it. You work so hard. You better get yourself a Bentley penthouse. With all the hours that you could. I think this is the look at that. I'm going into my limo with Julia. Julia, what? So this is my limo ride. It's called Faraday. Oh wow! I feel